Welcome back to Haven and Green, where extraordinary ideas, inspiring spaces, and remarkable transformations come together to spark your imagination. Today, we invite you to step into a world where innovation meets beauty, where creativity reshapes expectations, and where every detail has been carefully crafted to create an unforgettable experience. The most captivating designs are often those that challenge traditional thinking and introduce a fresh perspective on how we interact with the spaces around us. As the world continues to evolve, so do the concepts that define comfort, elegance, and functionality. Visionaries across the globe are exploring new ways to blend aesthetics with purpose, creating environments that not only look stunning, but also enhance the way we live, work, and relax. These groundbreaking ideas demonstrate that true luxury is no longer just about appearance. It is about creating meaningful experiences that connect people with their surroundings. What makes modern innovation so fascinating is its ability to transform ordinary concepts into something extraordinary. Through thoughtful planning, advanced technology, and a deep appreciation for beauty, designers and creators are pushing boundaries like never before. Every element, from the grandest feature to the smallest detail, contributes to a larger story, one of imagination, ambition, and endless possibilities. The spaces and ideas we explore today remind us that creativity has no limits. They encourage us to dream bigger, think differently, and appreciate the incredible potential of human ingenuity. Whether inspired by nature, technology, art, or culture, these visionary creations reveal how diverse influences can come together to produce something truly remarkable. As you continue watching, take a moment to notice the details, the craftsmanship, and the bold decisions that make these concepts stand out. Sometimes the most impressive achievements are not defined by their size or cost, but by the ideas behind them and the emotions they inspire. At Haven and Green, we believe that great design has the power to inspire, elevate, and transform perspectives. Our goal is to bring you closer to the world's most fascinating creations, offering a glimpse into the future while celebrating the innovation that makes it possible. If you enjoy discovering extraordinary ideas and breathtaking inspirations, be sure to stay connected with Haven and Green for more content that explores the very best in creativity, design, architecture, and visionary thinking. Thank you for joining us today. Sit back, enjoy the journey, and let your imagination wander as we explore another incredible showcase of innovation and inspiration. Until next time, this is Haven and Green, bringing you closer to the future of extraordinary living.